Today's job is a 2012 Hyundai Accent. The trunk release button has failed, so we're swapping it out with a brand new handle assembly. Firstly, we remove the trunk trim to gain access to the handle from the inside. With the trunk trim out of the way, you could see the mounting screws, well, kind of, holding the handle in place. Remove these carefully and keep them somewhere safe. You'll be using them again. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the trunk release switch. Just press the locking tab before pulling it free to avoid damaging the connector. Now the old handle can be removed. Over time, these switches can fail from constant use and exposure to the elements. The old handle was secured with 2 screws, so it was removed before we could swap it with a new handle. The new handle goes into a straight position, the mounting screws are tightened back down, and the electrical connector is plugged back until it clicks. And now you see I'm testing out the new button just to make sure it's working properly before it's back to its owner.